Yeah. Hello guys. So I got a new toy a couple of months ago, and there was a couple of problems in here. The first one was the steering, and of course it broke up. We got the original wheel here, what is not here. And this is the painted one, what I modeled in Fusion 360. You can see how I modeled it in Fusion 360 right now. Look guys, we have a canvas here. You can see my calipers, and this is the bottom part what suddenly break out. And we can see those little things what are pressing on the buttons to go right and left, and we got one broken. And so let's move on and we'll see what we made next. And next was this part. Let's turn off the canvas, and we got this bottom part what we can get in here, and we can steal with it, but still have to make the wheel, so it's gonna be better. Let's try. And we got the wheel here, and look, we got nice wheel, but let's make some upgrades and we'll see what we have. And let's see, we got oh my gosh, and we got we got this protector to make a grip more cooler and comfortable for our hands. And also we are gonna put epoxy glue in. I'm gonna put a bolt in here to connect those two parts together, what you can see there. And then I'm gonna put the epoxy glue in this hole, and we'll put black paint on top. And then we're gonna have this result, and this is gonna be already fitted in the remote control. So you put this part in here, and then you put the wheel on top and put the screw in, and then epoxy glue and black paint. And so we got wheel ready. So we got radio control version. Let's move on. Another thing what the car wasn't driving, because there should be lots of energy to power this car on the first start, and you need to make it a lot of energy, but the lithium battery was useless, and it didn't give us a lot of energy at the start, and we decided to make a capacitor. Let's see. That's my dog. Nice. Again. Come on. Okay. Come on, get off. So the capacitor is here. It's very powerful, and this way I'm afraid of touching it. It still has energy, and it's off. Nice, and let's put it together, and we'll see the third problem in this car. Come on, shocks! Come on! Oh my gosh! Wait, we did it! Bought it on. And the last problem was the lithium battery, the previous racing battery, what was in this back the first time, it was getting worse and there were no current right now in that battery, but we have voltage. But we need current to start the car. And I had a new solution for this. A bigger lithium battery was new, and it works pretty nice. Okay, we're ready, guys. Let's take it out for a leap. What? Solution. Outside. Yo, guys, we're outside. Let's test this car. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Speed number 1. Yo! That's fun! If you like my video, subscribe to this channel, also robotics, like my video with the comments below, and bye! This land.